conference brings us together so we can bridge the gap in knowledge. The more people we can get doing electronic calibrations, documentation accuracy, the better.
We're going to pick up some pointers that you can then disperse through your organization. And I picked up enough that we're going to be busy for quite a while.
This is a great opportunity to not only network with other guys, but to actually see where the calibration field, which direction we're heading at.
You need to have parameters in place. You need to have a procedure.
I learned especially I like the ignition software and the fact that we can actually pull in from a PLC the heart communications data indicating a calibration date and the like, and that I'm going to deploy in the fall.
What I've really learned was when not to calibrate. It sounds counterintuitive.
Accuracy is important, but one thing that you need to know as well is what tolerance you're allowing when you perform your tests. Get out your email right now, request permission, and get here.